about 10 sections. If you're not growing muscle, your diet is the problem. Here's exactly what to eat daily for real results. We'll break down protein, carbs, fats, and the meal prep system that makes results inevitable. Simple structure, real food, repeatable results. GymProLife, fitness, strength, discipline. Building muscle isn't just about lifting, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients consistently. You'll learn what to eat, how much, when, and how to meal prep without overcomplicating anything. Comment below, what's your biggest struggle diet? Consistency or meal prep? Subscribe to GymProLife for smarter workouts, nutrition tips, and real results. If you're not growing muscle, your diet is the problem. This is a truth many people avoid. They focus solely on their training, adding another set, nor adding another exercise, nor hoping for a different outcome. The body is not built in the gym, it is only broken down there. The real growth happens outside the gym, repair and rebuilding. Muscles become bigger and stronger during the hours you're not lifting. It's fueled entirely by what you put into your body. This guide removes the guesswork with direct rules and simple, busy-proof meals.